Hi, I'm Carrie Logterman, and I've been with BRI for almost 8 years now.
And I am Julie Hillman, and I have been a consultant with BRI for a little more than a year. Carrie and I wanted to get together today and demonstrate for you how to use your skincare samples.
All right, someone has gifted you or given you, you received a sample set that might look something like this. This is the combination. Yours might be a different color, but you can take out your samples and get ready to do a facial along with us. At any point, you can pause your video if you'd like to use the samples right along with us. All right, so the very first thing I wanted to share is just a brief bit about BRI and what makes us special and unique. There are lots of skincare companies out there, and there is something that truly sets us apart from others, and that is that we use aloe vera in our products as the first ingredient instead of water. If you look at other products out there, typically water is the first ingredient. And when water is listed first, that's what you're getting the most of in your product. And we chose aloe vera because of its healing powers and ability to correct the skin. It's very powerful. It's been used for centuries. And so combined with the aloe vera is our natural botanicals, plants, no artificial fragrances or dyes. Even the coloring in our product is from plants and natural botanicals. So the green is from chlorophyll and the pinkish color is from vitamin B12. There's no parabens in our products, and there's no harsh detergents. You'll notice they don't lather a lot, and that is because we don't put harsh detergents in our products. And so that is truly what makes us unique. So Julie is going to be our model today and demo how to use these products while I share a little bit about each one. So first we will start with our cleansers. And in your sample set, you may have a pink cleanser, which is for normal to dry skin, or a green cleanser that is for combination as well as oilier skin types. And you use just the size of a dime, maybe even a pea, a very small amount. So these little sample sets should last you 7 to 10 days. Which is awesome. It gives you an excellent trial time to try BRI products. You take your cleanser and add some water to it. Scrub it all around your face. It is very safe, so it can even be used on your eye makeup to get the makeup off. Mine takes my mascara, my eyeliner right off, and it does not hurt your eyes or sting at all. And we use this and wash. I like to use mine in the shower, but you can use it on a washcloth. You can use our sponge. This is a very squishy sponge. Of course, it hardens once it dries, but then you get it wet. It's really good to use a sponge to get a little exfoliation as you're scrubbing, or a washcloth as well. But also it's great for oily and blemished skin to help to get rid of some of the oily blemishes. It just helps to keep it very clean. You're not getting the oils from your fingers onto your face while you're scrubbing. So rinse off that the cleanser, and you should feel really refreshed. It should feel clean, very quick. We recommend using this morning and night. The next step in our skincare process or set is exfoliating. And in your little set, the awesome thing is you should get 3. You may have one of these or 2, or you might have all 3. It all kind of depends on what you were given. But we have our facial mask, as well as our face and our body scrub, and our rejuvenating facial peel. And they are all awesome products. We recommend using them 2 to 3 times a week. So these two should last you 7 to 10 days. We recommend just snipping the corner off and using a small amount. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way with LeBri, and that's what makes the products affordable. So Julie is going to demonstrate the facial peel, and it's papaya smelling. It smells amazing. And this just gently dissolves the top layer of your dead skin. So you use a small amount and rub a thin layer all over your face. She's going to use it on half of her face. And let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds is typically all it takes if you use a thin layer. Even going down onto your neck area to make sure that you get rid of that dead skin, and we don't only take care of our face. We want to keep it going. And then with a dry hand, make sure your hand is dry, otherwise you'll just slime that. It's actually like a jelly, the facial peel, all around. And you can see Julie's rubbing it in a circular motion. And as you rub, that papaya enzymes work against your skin enzymes and dissolve that top layer, and you'll feel a beading. It beads up, and that is your dead skin that actually is sloughing off. So it's amazing how quick it works, and it makes your skin feel extremely soft. You can use this product really on anywhere you have dead skin patches. And the reason it's recommended to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week is because our skin is always shedding. We just don't see it happening. And it helps your moisturizer soak in better. You can see on her hand, those chunks, those are her dead skin that just peeled off. So she will keep rubbing until she has most of that off. Sometimes it's hard to tell when to stop, but get as much of that off as you can. And then you just rinse off the product with warm water or a warm washcloth. And using the exfoliators, you can use all of them. We just recommend using one per day and alternating them. But sometimes people find a favorite, and so they decide to just stick with one and use it every couple days. Our facial mask is actually it's a tightening mask. It's our liquid gold in a bottle. This is the full size product. And this tightens and tones your 52 facial muscles. So it literally gives you a facelift. And with the mask, we recommend that you just squeeze out a small amount. It's very runny. And you always apply going upward. Don't get right up onto your lashes or onto your lips because it tightens so much. But apply as quickly as you can in an upward motion. And then this product, we recommend that you let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes to get the full effect. And your skin will feel tighter once you rinse it off. It also might feel very funny as you have it on and it dries. But I promise you it'll be worth it when you rinse it off. And this too is not a peel. You don't peel it off. It is one that you rinse off with warm water after about 8 to 10 minutes. We will let Julie sit on her face for just a little bit, and she will share about our face. We will share about our face and our body scrub. So this product is more of a typical exfoliator. It has a gritty feeling to it, and this can be used on your face and on your body. And it has almond and walnut shell powders in it. So if you are allergic at all to those nuts, you would want to stay away from this product. And this one, as I said, you can cut the corner. You can try it on your face. Julie's not going to do that because she's already used 2 products and she has the mask on the other half of her face. But you could You could put it all over your face. You can use it on the backs of your arms. It's great for that rough skin, your feet, dry legs. It can be used all over your body. So again, that's our face and our body scrub. And you can see Julie's face is getting tighter by the minute. The reason she did it on half of her face was simply to demo for you the facial peel and the facial mask. You could do the same and see if there's one that you like better than the other, and compare. A lot of times when people use the face mask right in their cheekbone, as well as even sometimes in their jawbone area, you can see a lift. So if you try it on half, you might be able to visibly see the difference of that facial mask. But it can be used all over your face. You do not have to do half and half. We just did that for demonstration purposes. So Julie I know it probably hasn't quite been 10 minutes, but for demonstration purposes, she's going to rinse that off and tell us quickly how her skin feels after having the facial peel and the mask on.
It's so tight when I have the facial mask on, it's hard to even smile or move my lips. So don't be surprised when you have that experience.
Yes.
So my face, Carrie, is so soft.
That is what I love the most about these. These are really some of our most popular products. That's why they're in our sets that we have at BRI, as well as in our travel sets. So your face should feel super, super soft and just healthier. And by exfoliating a couple times a week, it helps your moisturizers to soak in and get further into your skin. And it just also gives you a more youthful glow. All right, so the next step in our skincare regimen is the freshener. Mm-hmm. And the freshener comes typically in a spray bottle, and you would use it on a cotton pad or a cotton ball. And so you will use about, out of this little one, you can drip it on and use maybe, 10 drops or so, and you can rub it all around your face. It's safe over your eyes. Our freshener does not have drying alcohols in it, which many toners do. And so it does not dry out your skin. It actually helps to lock in the moisturizer and protect your skin from bacteria. So I think about this step as like a rinse cycle, such as your wash. You would never let your clothes not rinse through a rinse cycle after washing them to make sure the soap is off and the makeup is all off of your face. And that's what Julie just demonstrated using that cotton pad. And don't be alarmed. Sometimes you will see makeup on that cotton pad still. And that's why we do that second or that rinse step. And specialty treatments, time for those eyes. In your sample set, you may have received a Smooth and Firm Eye Repair Gel. And this little one as well, you cut the corner off. You need a very small amount. Again, a little goes a long way, so don't squeeze a whole lot out. Julie's showing you there. And you dab it, stipple it on your eyelids, as well as underneath your eyes. This targets the dark circles, the puffiness, the lines, and the wrinkles around the eyes. That is what this product is made for. And it's very cooling, refreshing feeling. You just let it dry once it is on there. And some people even put this product in the refrigerator, the full size, to cool it down. It helps a lot with allergies if you have puffy eyes from allergies as well. There it is. Julie's showing you the green. It's a cucumber gel. And again, very refreshing and targets those lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. All right. And last but not least, we have our moisturizers. And our moisturizers are mini. They look tiny in the sample set, but I promise you they do last 7 to 10 days if you use a small amount. We also have a few different moisturizers. You may have Julie showing the aloe jelly, which is the pure aloe. And for people with very oily skin, you may have received that as your moisturizer in your sample set. So don't be alarmed. There are different moisturizers for different sample sets. Julie's showing the full-size products. That's the green is our oil-free, and that's for oilier skin types as well. And the pink is for a normal to dry skin as well as combination skin types. And that's our gentle moisture lotion, which is what I have here in the sample size. And with this product, you need only about the size of a pea. Some people may use a dime size about. Put a little bit into your palm. And what's really important, this is a key step, is to make sure you add water, not to your bottle, but to your fingertips when you're using your moisturizer. So you can see Julie doing that. Just run your fingertips under the water. Don't dilute it a lot, but add that because aloe is actually hydrophilic and it's water loving. So it gives your skin an extra drink, but it also makes the products last longer, of course. So then Julie just applies it all over her face and her neck area in an upward motion and work that moisturizer in, and it should feel silky soft. I always feel like my skin feels like silk after applying my moisturizer. So that is the final step in our skincare regimen, and your final step with your little travel size set. These are perfect sizes for vacations. Again, they last 7 to 10 days, so it would work very well to take it somewhere with you. You can also refill these bottles, so I recommend keeping them, and when you purchase the full size set, you can refill them for your travel, weekend travel or vacations as well. So keep that in mind. All right, how's your skin feel, Julie?
It feels so soft and amazing. I love it. Very supple.
Awesome. Julie, tell us, how long do the full-size products last approximately?
Yep, great question, Carrie. So my full-size set of the combination trio will typically last me about 6 months, sometimes a little bit longer.
Yes. And we say on average 4 to 6 months, depending on how much product people use. We can never guarantee that. But really it makes BRI very, very affordable because you're only having to stock up a couple of times a year. So we hope you enjoyed our demo. We look forward to your feedback. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to the person that shared this video with you so that we can answer questions, or if something doesn't feel right or too oily or too dry, those are things that we're here to help you with. So don't feel like you want to give up on the sample set. Please reach out and let us know how we can help, and we can help you troubleshoot. It might be as simple as changing 1 or 2 of the products to fit your skin type better, because everyone's is different. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.